Welcome to a deeper look into the quote, "Insanity is doing the same thing and expecting different results." This statement, often attributed to Einstein, highlights irrational behavior when someone repeats actions hoping for a different outcome. It implies a lack of change in one's behavior or approach. Yet, it suggests a hope that things will improve, even without altering the cause. Essentially, it critiques stubbornness in problem solving. If a method isn't working, continuing without adjustment is unlikely to yield success. Rational behavior involves analyzing the failure, making changes, and trying something new. Consider a student who repeatedly crams before exams, consistently failing, yet refuses a different study method. This embodies the quote's meaning. While attributed to Einstein, there's no evidence he said it. The quote gained popularity in the 1980s, appearing in publications and recovery programs. Regardless of its origin, its message remains a reminder to adapt.